Thank you very much. Hopefully you are fine after lunch. So I will present you some beverage from whey protein and sea buckthorn juice and organic rose. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm from Lublin, from Poland. So hopefully you will come to Poland and I will talk about a little bit about trends, and hopefully these are not the trends because fast life, fast food, some depression, alcohol, and other beverages, and also some cigarettes and drugs. They are not so good, and hopefully these are not the trends. And if you are looking to the trends right now, as Eva Czarniecka-Skubina mentioned before about sustainability and whey products and some products from waste foods. If we are talking about different trends, first of all, sustainability is a key right now in 2025, and some context of whey utilization, why we did some beverages from whey products, because this is the waste product. Also, we are taking care of the environment, and we reduce the waste product, which is whey, of course. Also, nutritional value of whey, a lot of minerals, vitamins, some kind of proteins, whey proteins inside, and we obtained a product called whey champagne. Of course, whey champagne is only from France, but we are talking about champagne because it's the product has got bubbles, gas, and CO2, so it's similar to champagne. And what was the objective of the study? First of all, the study was focused on obtaining the eco-friendly beverage, which is the whey champagne, enhanced with some sea buckthorn juice and rose hip juice. Also, we are utilizing sweet whey and sour whey, and we are cooperating with small production plants, Figa. So these are the farmers, and they are producing whey from cheese. So some materials and production process. We use unpasteurized organic cows and goats whey, also sea buckthorn juice and rose hip juice. These are the organic products, lactic starter cultures, and organic brown sugar. So first of all, we mix the whey and juice 50 to 50%. Also, after that, we did the pasteurization process around 10 minutes and 90 degrees. After that, we filtrated the material, adding some cane sugar and fermenting with lactic acid bacteria within 4 hours, 42 degrees. After that, we put it in the bottle and stored around 14 days. And after that, tried the beverages. So what are the methods we used? We used Brookfield viscometer for the determination of viscosity, also oscillatory rheometer to establish the viscoelastic properties, titratable acidity, pH. We assessed microbiology, also antioxidant properties, and did some sensory analysis, the consumer evaluation. So these are the results, only a couple of results because we've got a lack of time here. So if we compare the beverages with rose hip juice and also sea buckthorn juice, and if we compare to beverages obtained only with whey, you can see that apparent viscosity and dynamic viscosity is lower, and it's really good because if you get beverages, the viscosity of the beverages should be low. Also, if we are talking about the titratable acidity, all the acidity and pH is lower than 4.75. It means that these are the fermented beverages, and these beverages are stable. If we are talking about microbiology, so we assessed Escherichia coli, Enterobacteriaceae, Staphylococcus aureus, also Listeria monocytogenes, and Salmonella, and you can see that these products were stable with sea buckthorn juice, white rose juice, and also with only the whey, sour or sweet whey. So these products were very stable. Also, if we are talking about the consumer evaluation, you can see that adding of the juice is better if we compare to a control sample only obtained with whey. So you can see that the best one were with sea buckthorn juice, and some of them with rosehip juice. In some conclusions, the sea buckthorn juice and rosehip juice enhance the properties. First of all, establish really good viscosity, because the viscosity was low, as we are talking about the beverages. High consumer acceptability. If we are talking about the microbiological values, everything was stable, and we didn't determine the problematic bacteria. Also, we are aligned with European Green Deal, because we are using the waste products, which is whey, and also addition of organic fruit juices enhance the sensory and nutritional values, as we are talking about that before. And of course, future research should be done about the carbonation of this kind of beverages, and have got some photo with the production process in technical scale, because first of all we did it in laboratory scale. After that we put it to the production scale, and with the head of the Figa organic farm in Mszana in Poland, so organic producers. So thank you very much for your attention for the presentation. If you get any questions, please ask. Yeah.
Sorry if it's but I'd like to hear more a little bit about the consumer acceptance that you have done here. You can tell us a little bit more in terms of how many participants tried the beverage, what were the thing that they break on, something like that.
So thank you for this question. We took this consumer evaluation in both ways. First of all, we sent some samples to the company with they get accreditation for sensory analysis. But also we did so here you get some picture of the consumer evaluation within our Faculty of Food Science and then Biotechnology. So it was like around 100 people. They took the evaluation sheets. So you can see during the consumer evaluation, this is our colleague from Maciej from our department. So he tried all of the stuff, and you can see. First of all, the taste was the biggest thing, because if you are talking about usual consumers, if you are sending some samples to different consumers, first of all, they are looking for the taste. Maybe not only the color, but the taste was the biggest thing. And you can see that the biggest score they get with addition of sea buckthorn juice and also with rosehip juice. Some of the products were also good, but these products are only with whey. So these are the control samples. And these samples were acceptable, but of course for consumers, the best solution was the sea buckthorn juice, which is right now quite popular in Poland. It has some acidic taste, and it's really good for some refreshments.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.